just received some mail from the coin cutter. And this is a coin, as you can gather. Well, we'll start with a poker chip. It sent me a poker chip, which is cool. I didn't even know you had poker chips. I like that. That'll go in my collection. I've not looked at it yet, so we're wrapping it together and we'll have the butchers. This is a... Some people will probably hate me for having this done, but my coin at the end of the day. Oh yes, look at that. Very well packaged. Oh yes. Now that's cool. Can you see it? I'm not going to take it out of the capsule yet, because I want to make a video of it. But that come out really well. Dead stuff for that meat. Don't know, coin cutter. It's got a channel over on TikTok. And he spends hours cutting these coins up, making puzzles. Absolutely brilliant. There's his details there. Get on over. Check him out, guys. Much appreciated, mate. Thank you. On the next one.